All right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Clay Matthews Canvas winner's choice. So we'll check the time, March 20th at 7:04 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have March 20th at 7:04 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ben. Spot 3 is your winner. So, Ben, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 20th, 7:05 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.